Hello YouTube. Today I want to show you my German fire alarm. It's a fire alarm from Esser by Honeywell. You can see there's fire alarm often in public buildings here, but sometimes they are red colored. Okay, so to set off the alarm you have to break a glass first. Afterwards you have to push the button. Okay, then let's watch or look inside. So it's very difficult to open this. Okay, got it. Yes, inside we have a switch to reset the alarm and a red light emitting diode right there. Okay, so let's push the button. This was a German standard sound. You can hear if in a public building is a fire alarm reported. Yes. That's everything. Thank you for watching my video.